Everybody wants to get better products for less money. With our smart decking solution, you can get thermo-treated oak decking for the same price of the cheapest pressure-treated pine decks. How? Here's how it works. When you buy pressure-treated pine decks, you'll pay about $2 per square foot for the lumber itself. Plus, you pay between $2 and $3 to oil or paint your decks after installation, and you should be oiling your deck every year to keep your deck in shape. At the second year of ownership, you'll spend between $8 to $10 per square foot for your pressure-treated pine deck, including the initial purchase and maintenance. Unfortunately, it will not prevent your deck from cracking and warping. Your initially cheap deck will continue to look cheap. Moreover, more than 50% of homeowners replace pressure-treated pine decks every 5 years on average. If you spend the same amount of money you spent in the second year of ownership of your pressure-treated pine deck, you can get beautiful thermo-treated hardwood factory-oiled oak decking with no maintenance for the first 3 years. Why is thermo-treated oak deck so durable? Because we modify the wood on a molecular level during our thermo treatment process. As a result, our decks are naturally durable for 25 years, have reduced shrinkage and swelling by 5 to 10 times. Thermo-treated wood turns to the natural, beautiful color of exotic woods. Also, it is absolutely green. During our thermo treatment process, we use just heat and steam with no chemicals added. Thermo-treated oak decks are carefully milled, pre-cut in length, and we do a wire brushing to create a textured anti-slip surface and to accent the grain and beauty of natural wood. Finally, we factory oil all 4 sides, which makes our decks ready to install. You can get our thermo-treated oak decks for the same money which you'll spend for pressure-treated pine decks in the first 2 years. Our beautiful and green hardwood product with 25-year warranty instead of high-maintenance, chemically harmful pine, which more than likely you'll be replacing in 5 years. And all of this for the same amount of money. How do we do this? Our thermally treated oak decking boards are pre-cut in length. You'll start saving the moment you place your order. We supply you exact length boards which you'll need for your project, so no extra 15% of material is needed for cuts and drops. Also, our factory oiling costs 3 to 5 times less than you'll be paying to hire a contractor to do the oiling for you. Moreover, we factory oil all 4 sides of your decking, while your contractor will be oiling just one face when your deck is already installed. Oiling the backside of the decking boards is very important because it protects the boards during their entire lifetime. Combine all these saving factors together and you'll see why we call our decking solution smart. Cheap does not always mean saving. In reality, only smart buying leads to real saving. It really is a smart decking solution to buy a much better product for the same price. Be smart, pay smart, buy smart.